you have learned to ask questions. Today, you will learn to paint a picture with your answer. Namaste, my astute observers. Today, we will learn to see the world not just for what it is, but for how it is. The great Swami Vivekananda said, "You have to grow from the inside out. There is no other teacher but your own soul." Today, we learn to describe the qualities of that soul. But how do we do this? Think of it this way. The nouns you have learned are the black and white sketch of your world. But adjectives, the describing words, are the colors you use to bring that sketch to life. The system for adding this color is a golden formula. It is simple, yet powerful. Subject plus the magic verb, am, is, or are, plus the adjective, which is the color. So, I, the subject, plus am, plus the color happy. I am happy. He, plus is, plus the color smart. He is smart. They, plus are, plus the color busy. They are busy. This golden formula works everywhere. In your office, she is happy with your work. At college, his new bike is awesome. This is more than a formula. This is the language of your soul. It gives you the power to express your unique feelings and observations about the world. Remember the golden formula. It is the foundation for expressing your opinion. When you master it, you are not just speaking, you are painting. The foundation is now yours. For continued guidance, subscribe to Ujjwal Bhavishya, where wisdom meets
a virus. Professor of Paint, your colors are beautiful, but they are all basic. You didn't tell them about the very virus that makes their English sound weak. I have the cure. Coming up next.